Are you just starting your crystal journey? Today, I'll show you my first 5 crystals every beginner should have in their collection. These are versatile, powerful, and easy to use stones to help you connect with your energy, boost your mood, and inspire gratitude every day. First, we will start with Clear Quartz, which is known as the Master Healer. It amplifies energy and intentions, can replace any crystal in your practice, and is great for beginners because it's so adaptable. Meditate with it daily or place it in your space for clarity and focus. Next is Rose Quartz, also known as the Stone of Love. Rose Quartz encourages self-love, compassion, and emotional healing. It is perfect for gratitude practices and can be kept near your bedside to promote love and peaceful sleep. We move on to Amethyst, the intuition booster. Amethyst supports calmness, clarity, and spiritual growth. It helps with relaxation and meditation and can be placed in your workspace to reduce stress and boost focus. The Stone of Abundance, citrine, is on the list. It brings positivity, energy, and a sense of gratitude, and helps attract success and manifest intentions. Carry it with you for confidence and a positive mindset. Lastly, one of my favourites, which is Smoky Quartz, the grounding stone. Smoky Quartz absorbs negativity and promotes emotional balance, is excellent for grounding and protection. Hold it during stressful moments to stay grounded and calm. These 5 crystals are a great way to start your journey. Which one will you add to your collection first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on this journey of gratitude and healing.